Hi guys, so welcome back to the next video. If you've never been here before, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm glad you guys are here. So today is going to be my starting video, I guess you can call it like that, of what to eat for the next 30 days. So every day I'm going to be posting a new video, showing you guys what to eat, and maybe kind of like a vlog style too if I have anything interesting going on that day, which some days I don't, you know, life. So let me show you guys everything I eat. I'm not calling it starch solution because I tend to eat more fruit in the summer than I guess recommended on the starch solution. But this is what I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat every day. Low fat, high carb vegan diet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I got up about an hour ago, now working on some water. I'm also going to be showing you guys my water intake for the day and also my exercise because I'm be training for a couple events for the recycling events coming up, so I'm really excited about that. So starting on some water, I think this is 20 ounces. I don't know, it doesn't say. But starting on some water, my goal today is 3 liters to a gallon. I'm not sure how close I'll get with that, but I'm going to try. It's a really pretty day outside, and yep, I'm starting to get hungry. I'm going to start eating breakfast, starting breakfast here in a little bit, and I'll show you guys what I'm having. So as I'm starting on breakfast, my pug prancer is too. Okay, so here is breakfast for today. I'm having some Vans Blissfully Berry cereal. I have never had this one before, this type before, so it should be good. And then some almond milk. Friendly Farms is actually from Aldi's. So this is the Aldi's brand almond milk. So it's about 12:30 right now. I'm going to be starting on lunch here in a little bit. So let me show you guys what I'm having. So for lunch today I'm having some rice. I'm getting started in the rice cooker with some pinto beans with jalapenos. So in the rice cooker I have this a steamer. I'm just going to put the beans on here and cook the beans while I'm cooking the rice. So the rice and beans are cooking right now, and now it's time to chop the veggies. So while lunch is cooking, I'm working on some more water. It's my second bottle for today, but it'll be more than that. I'm really thirsty today, and it's really hot outside. It's almost 80 degrees, so yeah, I'm going to be drinking some more water and then starting on lunch. Okay, so here's the rice, all done. Some of the beans fell through, but that's okay. It's just in the rice. It's the beans. A little bit of lettuce, some tortilla shells, bell pepper, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and olives. So let's eat. So here's lunch. Look at that color. So didn't eat all the beans or rice, but I'll probably eat that a little bit later. So right now I'll be enjoying these tacos that I overfilled. That's fine though. That's what forks are for. So I'm just having some ice cream. So in here, right here, I have some rice stream, chocolate. Rice stream, carob and mint. That's this type here. And then also we have some chocolate sriracha ice cream, vegan ice cream. This stuff is probably my favorite. It's so rich. It's amazing. I never had this type before. I just found it at the store. So this is like a coconut milk chocolate and a little bit of cinnamon. It's really, really good. So here is supper. We have some baked potatoes and some veggie quiches. This is made with tofu, a whole bunch of vegetables like spinach, carrots, onions, bell pepper, and a whole bunch of different spices. They're really good. So this is supper. I'll see you guys later. So off to take a walk.
Hi.
To walk around the neighborhood and enjoy the cool air because it's cooled down a lot. So let me show you guys around our town of 500 people. There's no stores. There's no stores, no gas stations, no nothing. It's a nice small town full of Amish and yep. So we do have a couple little parks and stuff there. So let me show you guys around. So this is like the little park in our town. All these wood sculptures have been done by a local person in this town. Hey, it works. Every house in this town has a well, so that's pretty neat. So we're just walking around through here looking at the different tombstones, especially with the ones with a flag. And John Pessel, I guess his name, died 1873. So he was a Civil War vet. That's pretty neat. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be closing down the vlog and what I eat today video. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet already. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.